And when did you start working on political campaigns in your career?
Ako since 1996 pa. Because
1996.
I'm also into politics before.
Oh, tell me, were you running?
So, yeah, I used to be part of SK.
Okay.
So, I have so many connections, especially in Bataan. And we are also in a political family. So, what happened, bata pa na ako, exposed na ako sa politika. So, alam ko na yung style na ginagawa nila. Ano yung gusto ng tao, anong gusto ng mga masa, ng mamamayan. So, kayang-kaya kong sumulat. So, yung mga tumatakbong mayor sa amin, laging, I use my talents and share my talents para lang gumawa ng mga jingles nila. Like yung ninong ko, tito ko, mayor. Ako yung gumagawa since 1996. So,
ano yung first mong political campaign?
For mayor.
For mayor.
Nung bali ninong kong tumakbong mayor.
Gratis.
Lagi naman. So ngayon, I have hundreds.
Huwag mong paninigyan.
Actually, I have a lot of projects now. Na I have like hundreds of mayor running. Kasi mga local lang pinafocus ko.
But why not
Wala
charge?
kasi silang budget. I mean, maliliit lang. Unlike national, malaki ang million ang budget niyan. Unlike sa mga local, like barangay or...
Walang budget, ayaw labas ng budget sa difference.
For election, I only do jingles or voiceover for those people na I believe na mga mababait at hindi kurakot at corrupt.
Oh, very good. Kalip?
Well, I started in either fourth year high school or first year college.
What's this? Why are you guys starting so young?
Yeah, well... Well, to me, it was a nepo thing. So, so my dad was a COO of a conglomerate, and the owner of the conglomerate actually ran for Congress.
Can you mention? No?
Oh yes, Ramon Rey Orosa.
Okay.
So he ran for Congress, and then he needed the jingle, and I was tinkering with my workstation.